sasabihin na namin yung mga tao na tinuro nila. Siyempre, we have to validate all the information. But ito yung mga, marami rito yung congressman's, mga congressman's cases. Now, the first congressman na tinuro niya, we're validating all the information now. And we intend to subpoena them, to have them subpoenaed by the NBI also.
Sir, gaano karami po itong itinuturo nila?
Hindi, yung nasa privilege speech ni, yung nasa yung affidavit na unang nilabas ni Diskaya, we're working on that now. I think you have a copy of that anyway. Alam niyo na kung sino-sino yun. And we're working on that now. We will invite them first. We will let the NBI invite them. If they do not show up, then we will have the NBI subpoena them. May subpoena powers din naman niya. Kasi sila active active investigation to of charges in sworn statements. So the NBI as a law enforcement agent has the power to investigate these charges.